to Lake City. Then I came across this Bureau of Land Management campsite and decided to just stop here and spend the night. Today, pulled the tent out. Tonight should be a really pretty cool night. We'll be camping on this beautiful river here. There's a mountain in the backdrop. It's home for the night. Good morning, everybody. This is a beautiful morning out here. It's kind of cold, but that's all right. It's beautiful. Wait for that sun to come up and warm up a little bit. I'm gonna have crazy hair going today. That's 3 days I'm not finding the shower, but I'll find one today when I go in. Today it's gonna be instant oatmeal, brown sugar. Not the healthiest for you, but it's easy when you're out here. Some peanut butter in there. Well, that's buddy. Let's have some breakfast together. Nature's made table. Doesn't get much better than this. This is a free Boondockers tip. If you want to do something with your crazy bedhead, I found this is the best thing to do. Spray bottle, little leftover warm water from the breakfast oatmeal to a place to get a nice hot shower, but it doesn't work out that way all the time, does it? But you know what? This will hold me over so I don't look so crazy. Coffee Creekside. Bon appetit. Happy travels to you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you, guys. This is going to be fun today. And that is how you get water. With a real old-fashioned water pump. Part of boondocking. Gotta find water. Well, time to break down camp and head on down the road to Lake City. Have trash. When you bring it in, please always bring it out. Well, everybody, time to move on to the next city. Take a ride with me. Thank you, guys. Okay, everybody, we made it to Lake City. Beautiful little cabin-y town in the middle of the mountains. A lot of side-by-sides, 4x4s. We're gonna go have some breakfast this morning. We're gonna have barbecue for breakfast. It's time for breakfast. I'm gonna have myself a cold brisket sandwich. Barbecue chopped brisket sandwich and potato salad. Need a lot of oatmeal. This should be pretty good. Oh yeah, that's really good. A place called Sportsman Barbecue Station in Lake City.